On this video, I'm going to talk about something that most salespeople do wrong. And it's hurting their sales, it's hurting their commissions, their results. But when you change it, and by the way, you can change it, it changes everything very quickly. So you probably have heard this before. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And that's one of my very favorite sayings, not only in selling, but in management and relationships. It changes everything. Care. So you need to make sure that you're not trying to fake this. People really know if you're lying about caring. So people don't care that you have the best product on the planet. They don't care about your features. They don't care about your benefits. Let me tell you how this can benefit you if they don't think you care about them. In fact, I've heard that so many times when I've been on the outside looking in or hearing different people. We just didn't like that salesperson. We didn't trust them. They really didn't care. So you know what? You can't fake it. If you are all about the commission, and they call it in sales commission breath. If people can go, oh, that person just wanted the sale. Maybe you're stressed, maybe you're worried, and so you're thinking about really, how can I make a living? How can I do this? If you're selfish, that's not going to help. So I want you to think about this. A salesperson who really just wants to close, don't you know that when they're like, well, they're trying to get you to do something, they're not listening to you. They're going, you know what, I want you to do this because it's in your best interest. But you know what, did they even find out what you wanted? Did they really care when you told them, I don't like that benefit? I mean, I want you to think about this. If you're trying to sell and you don't care about people, it's hurting you. So how do you change yourself? How do you actually get to care? First off, put yourself in that person's shoes. Care about them. Love them. Act like it's you. Would you not only buy from you, but are you someone that is treating them with respect? Are you listening to them, or are you trying to push them through because you have another appointment? I mean, care about people deeply. See, people want to trust you, and establishing rapport, we aren't going to be talking about how you do that in detail, but part of rapport is trust. And what is trust? Trust is, do they trust you know what you're doing? Do they trust you have their best interest in mind? Do they trust that you have a great product or service? So you want to love people. You want to truly love them and put them above your own best interest. Now, whenever I say this, you can be genuine and you can really care and show people that you care, but don't try to fake it. Now, when I say this, I love people. I care about people deeply. And people know when they talk to me. That's probably one of my superstar that's probably one of the reasons I do so great in sales, is because people know that I care. And whenever I say that, do you know that I have been talking to people and I get into their story so much about why they want a product or service? Now, whenever I say that, I ask the right questions to get them focused on the product and service. I'm, a sales professional when I'm in that role. But when they start telling me about their family or their life or the last time they had that struggle, and they start getting emotional, and I've had people that I'm meeting with cry. They just start crying because someone's actually listening to them. Someone really wants to help them. And I want to let you know, I want to help people. That's deep inside of me. I want to help them in whatever I'm working at that time, whatever I'm selling. And by the way, I won't sell something. And you shouldn't sell something if you don't believe in it. If you don't know that that is going to help them improve their life, improve their situation, or something they really want, or it's going to give them pleasure in one way or the other, then you shouldn't sell it to them. And I can tell you there's been, I can't even count them, how many times when I knew the product or service that I had in front of me was not a good fit for them. I ended up walking away, and I would say, well, I don't know if this is really the right thing for you, but I would try to help them. Here's probably where you should go and what you need to do. And it was so amazing to me. I've had people that, because I truly cared and tried to help them, that did business with me anyway. It's like, well, you know what? I really want to work with you. I think this probably will be good enough for now. Like, all right, that's great, let's move forward. But you have to really mean that. If you try to fake it and you try to push people into something that is not in their best interest, first off, it's wrong. Don't ever do anything wrong on purpose. Second thing is, let's talk about the long-term repercussions. If you're doing that, are you going to get referrals? I mean, a good salesperson lives by referrals. If you really are helping a lot of people, they're going to tell people about it if your product and service is that great. And you know what? I've had people tell me when I was buying a car, and they said, this salesperson I've used for the last 5 cars that I've bought. And they're honest and they care. And you know what? I bought 2 or 3 cars from that person after that because they were right. And I really trusted them, and they weren't in it just for the commission. And they really did care. And I came back and I referred other people myself to a car salesperson. And some people go, car salesperson, that's the lowest form of selling. Are you crazy? I don't care what it is. We all want the product and service to be right for us. So again, make sure that as you're building trust, you truly care about people. Now, when you do that, you need to show people that you care. Sometimes you might care deep down inside, but people don't know that you care. How can you show them that you care? Listen to them. Lean forward. Be actively engaged. When I've had people break down because they got so emotional, I'm not kidding you, I started crying right with them. I've cried, I can't even tell you how many times, and it wasn't so I could close the deal. I care about that person and they're struggling in some sort of area. So you know what, if you have something that can serve them and help them, and you're really there for the right reason, doesn't mean you have to become a crybaby like I've been at sometimes, but you know what? You have to really show that. So how? By really listening, by not cutting them off, by active listening, by repeating things back, by becoming a professional. So when you do that, people are going to know that you care. And many times, you know what I do? I listen to people. I might jot down a few notes while they're in front of me, but then I also will repeat it back and I'll say, so let me make sure that I'm hearing you correctly. Here's what's really important to you. Here's why. And I'll take a 30-minute conversation and in 30 seconds, a minute, maybe 2 minutes tops, repeat back everything that was important to them. They're like, that's exactly right. And if I got it wrong, then they tell me, like, I'm so glad that you said that because I misunderstood you. But care about people. If you do that, they know it. Do not be all about the money. Do not be all about the commission. Make sure that you genuinely, and I call this from a biblical standpoint, agape love. That means unconditional love. Put the other person above yourself. Make sure that you really love them. And love is a choice. You can do this, or you can doubt and you can go, I really don't love them. Well, that's your choice. Care about them and make that decision to do the right thing. Again, think about this. The saying, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So with that, go out, help some people, care about them, love them, listen to them, really pay attention, try to do the right thing, and your sales will go to a new level. With that, I hope you've enjoyed this, and as always, remember to expect success. Thanks.